What's up guys, Chicks there from Chicks Tech Reviews. So action cameras have become very popular this year. We have already seen a lot of new real 4K action cameras appearing at very affordable prices. I personally love action cameras. They are portable, multifunctional and very easy to use. So you may already be enjoying the benefits of an action camera. Well, today I bring you 5 awesome GoPro action camera accessories for under £30. So I have picked out 5 unique accessories. These are very useful and affordable accessories which are compatible with any action camera, including the GoPros. So without further ado, let's begin. Now the first awesome action camera accessory is a baseball cap with an action camera mount. So this is a regular baseball cap finished in black. So pretty standard baseball cap, nice design, feels quite comfortable to wear. You got Velcro on the back to adjust the size. Finished in black, nice material, nice design. But over here you have an attachment for your action camera, and this comes with an adapter as well. So let's attach the U-light to it. Now the U-light has a tripod screw at the bottom. So what we're going to do is unscrew. So we don't need that now, and we're just going to attach their adapter. As you can see, it goes on very nicely. Just screw it on. So there you have it. Adapter's fitted on nicely. Then all you do is slot that in. Angle it upwards. Tighten it, and there you go. You've got yourself an action camera cap. I know I'm going to be using this in the future for future action camera videos. So very nice indeed. So the second awesome accessory we have for action cameras is the bike pole mount. So this is a bike pole mount adapter for action cameras. So here is an attachment for your bike handle or any pole or frame up to 30 to 32 millimeters in diameter. So that part goes on your frame, and there's your action camera, and you can angle that up or down to get the best angle. So that's your bike pole mount, very useful indeed. So let's see what's next. So the third awesome accessory we have is the sun visor action camera mount. So this is a very useful piece. It will allow you to clip your action camera to your sun visor in your vehicle, turning your action camera into a car dash camera. Now the clip rotates 360 degrees to give you any angle you like, and not only can you clip this to your sun visor, you can clip this to anything up to 18 millimeters thick. Very nice indeed. So next up we have, so this is a suction cup mount for action cameras. So here we have a suction cup mount. You've got a tripod screw at the end. This also comes with an adapter in case your action camera doesn't have a tripod screw at the bottom. So very convenient. Let's stick an action camera on there. We've got a suction cap here with a quick release. And as you can see, you're able to achieve any angle you wish. So very useful if you want to stick your action camera on your windscreen and turn it into a dash cam. So last but certainly not least, the fifth awesome accessory for your action camera is the GoPro folding tripod mount. So here is a foldable tripod for your GoPro action cameras. So you've got a button over here, and when you press it, you can lift this section up, and that's where your camera will be held. Screw it on, nice and secure, and there you have it. You got yourself a nice handle grip there to hold your action camera. This is great for vlogging, and when you feel the need that you want to rest your action camera down, it simply folds out into a tripod stand, and of course you can tilt that upwards. How useful is that stand? And check out the price. So a multifunctional foldable tripod with a hand grip for your action camera. I do like this one a lot. So my favorites from the bunch has to be this one and the cap. So they're the two that I know I'm going to be using straight away. I'm also interested in the bicycle frame holder. So there you have it guys, that was the 5 awesome GoPro action camera accessories for under £30. And with that being said, I will leave the links in the description so you guys can check any of these products out. Let me know which one was your favorite from the bunch. Meanwhile, that's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one guys.